Yo, it's your boy Sway back here, another freaking video, you know what I'm saying? It's a Sunday, it's a great day, morning to little cruise. I don't know, man, I just wanted to go on a cruise today. And I'm leaving somewhere, so I gotta make a video out of it, obviously. So, should I do a turn, pressing on the gas every turn? Not right here. Sliding already. Hear that whine? But yeah, man, just a little regular video, just cruising. Monday, Sunday fun day cruise. That's what I'm gonna call this video. Sunday fun day cruise. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't think I'm gonna really talk as much, but I'm cruising a lot today, so the drive-in is right here. I did not know the drive-in is right here, but yeah, man, I'm cruising a lot today, so it's gonna be multiple videos coming out. But yeah, I put my regular tires on, so I got regular tires on here now. Feels so weird because I have like obviously really no traction compared to my slicks. I've been running on them for so long, so they just feel so different. I feel like I can't really, I don't even know how to explain it. Got that seat warmer on. Just feel weird. But I do need front tires though, and I need to change all my shocks on my car. So I need to buy some shocks and change them. Should I let the window down some for y'all boys? I'll take the highway. God dang, my shifter is, my shift knob is freaking cold as heck. Good thing I got good brakes. That corner was you know, bro, I did a fat, that's probably my tire marks right there. I did a fat burnout right there. Not in the intersection, but you know. Or, is that a cop? No, that's not a cop. Might be a cop up here. Pops. Try to do a little pull. Traction control. God damn. That's crazy. It does want to catch traction. It does does want to catch traction. My phone. That's crazy. My first really big pull. Not even big pull since I put the tires on. Turn this off. Dang, I should stop. I'm gonna stop on the side of the road so I can fix my camera. I want to put it up here. Yeah, car, go. Probably think something's wrong, but it's not even wrong. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna put this camera up here because I want to get a video, man. So. Oh, shit. There you go. There you go. Hopefully that gets everything. No cops. Probably do one. Probably the best spot I can do one right now. Look at this Honda going fast. See if it's a cop. I gotta see if it's a cop up here. Hey, old lady. No cop. Cop. Wait till these cars get past me. Come on. Thank you. I'm gonna pass this bridge real quick. I'm gonna do a pull to the speed limit. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright. No cop. Do one more pull when I get up there a little bit. When I get past this, I'll do a pull. I think I'm gonna no lift shift the second to third gear. I'm glad this car have a great brakes, boy. Braking on this car is crazy. brakes on this car, them Brembos be putting in work. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, shit. Hopefully it sees this in the camera on my phone. Guess I'll do a little something right here. Make sure no cops or not. I have the worst fucking luck when it comes to this shit. Turn traction control off. Damn! Try that one more time. That was crazy. Make sure no cop right here. I probably can't really do it right here. That down shot of that tunnel is crazy. I forgot I got some E in here too. Damn, why I'm doing that? TRX, Raptor R. Just be kind. TRX. Okay, look, maybe a little turbo in there or something. That Ford is nice though. It will get gapped, but you know. I do want to take the back road. Maybe I'll take it. Fuck it. Damn, my phone fell. Hopefully it recorded all that though. Should I take the back road? Nah, I'm trying to get to the crib. I'll take that later. Oh, he just got it too. He got a template on there. Those are, I ain't gonna lie, those are nice. Delman or TRX are nice. Somebody got a TRX down here. I've been seeing a lot lately. Got a cop. Oh. Good day to get a cruise in too. So great day to get a cruise in. The boys or somebody. But man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this little video, a little Sunday fun day cruise, couple pulls in the video, you know, whatever, with the new tires on. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, like the video, and yeah man, I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out, man, peace.